Class, as far as vitamin C is concerned, vitamin C is present in all sour fruits, citrus fruits like lemon. You can see in amla. In these fruits, vitamin C is present. And what is deficiency disease due to lack of vitamin C? It is scurvy. Scurvy is a disease caused by deficiency of vitamin C. Clear? Now come to vitamin D. Vitamin D is found in the sources for vitamin D is milk, egg, flesh, sunlight. These are various, and of course green vegetables too. These are various sources of vitamin D. एक और चीज़ है जिसको हम कहते हैं कॉड लीवर ऑयल. दिस कॉड लीवर ऑयल इज ऑल्सो कंटेन्स सफिशियंट अमाउंट ऑफ विटामिन D3. कॉड एक फ़िश का नाम है बच्चों. इसी फिश के लीवर का ऑयल निकाला जाता है तो उसमें विटामिन ए और डी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. अब आते हैं इसकी डिफिशियंसी से कौन सा डिजीज़ होता है. ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ विटामिन डी रिकेट्स एक डिजीज़ है. रिकेट्स. So rickets is a disease caused by lack of vitamin D. Now come to vitamin E. Next vitamin E. Vitamin E found in wholesome grains or germinated grains and all fruits and vegetables. These are sources of vitamin E. Now come to disease caused by deficiency of vitamin E. Deficiency of vitamin E causes skin diseases. Various types of skin problems are there due to lack of vitamin E, and sometimes there is deficiency in gamete formation also. These are diseases caused by lack of vitamin E. Now come to last vitamin, which is vitamin K. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is found flesh, egg, and क्या होता है कि के हमारी बॉडी में अपने से भी बनता है, इसलिए विटामिन के को बाहर से लेने की नीड नहीं पड़ती है. ठीक है. लेकिन के की डेफिशिएंसी से क्या होता है, इट हेल्प सिंस विटामिन के हेल्प्स इन ब्लड क्लॉटिंग. सो लैक ऑफ विटामिन सी ब्लड डजंट क्लॉट. यहाँ पे लिख दे रहा है ब्लड क्लॉट नहीं होगा, जिससे ब्लड फ्लो होता ही रहेगा हमेशा. ब्लड डजंट क्लॉट इफ देयर इज deficiency of vitamin K. Class, these are about all vitamins, their deficiencies and their sources. After that, in your book, minerals are written. There are 4 minerals in your book which are essential for normal growth and development of our body. Calcium, phosphorus, iron and iodine. After that, water. But students, about minerals and water we will study in later online class. This is all for today. Revise all vitamins, their sources and diseases caused by them. This is your homework for today. Class, stay home, be safe. Thank you, class.